Hello, lovely people. I would request all of you, those are like, just switch on your cameras, right? Okay, my name is Neeki Kumari. I have been working in this industry from last 5 years. So you can say that I have 5 years of experience as a manual tester. Currently, I am working in one of the most known company in MNC as a senior software test engineer. Okay, and I am also a tutor with GroTech teams. See, I know many of you will be from different backgrounds. You have graduated from different fields. So my way of teaching will be in such a way that your graduating background will not affect your knowledge. Okay, so I may teach like I am teaching naive people, but if you know the concepts, well and good. But if you don't, and you think that you know, just keep it to you for some reason, right? Because I have students who are not from engineering background who don't know actually what software is, right? I'm saying this in previous so that you won't get comfortable if you know what exactly software is or how it is working. Because in my mind, I'm going to take all of you as one, and I'm going to consider that you don't know anything about software, right? Okay, let's get started then. Manual testing, right? Forget about any whatever you it is going into your mind. Just forget for now, just forget about testing, forget about manual testing. Let's first see what exactly is software. Let's first understand what is software. Anyone? Anyone want to pitch in? Just raise your hand. If you're on camera, I can see you. If you're not on camera, I don't know. So use reactions. Software means anything, it's a piece of code, or you can say it's a piece of application which is written and you use it on your laptops, mobile, right? Or you can say in your PC. Some people use tabs, right? Anything, it is a piece of code, it's an application. You understand what application is, right? It's a piece of code which help the application to run so that you can use it. Yes, you cannot see software. See, in the sense you cannot touch and feel. This Zoom is a software. Do you agree? Can I touch Zoom right now?
Yes, no, ma'am.
No, right? I cannot touch my Zoom.
Yes.
I can just see. I can please be on muted. It's a very humble request from my end. Okay. If you are okay, if you are understanding, do like or you can use the reaction button. Yeah. Okay. Please do that. Maintain the class discipline because not everybody is okay with people talking in between. Am I going fast? No, right? Let me know if I'm going fast. Okay. So software means anything which is in your computer. It's just a piece of code, nothing much. And you cannot see it. You cannot touch it. You cannot feel it. Can you feel Zoom? Everybody uses WhatsApp. Can you feel how WhatsApp feels? That green color button, that green color app. You can't feel it, right? Yes or no? You cannot feel it. You can just use it with your eyes or with your brains. Yeah, that is your software. And then comes your hardware. Hardware means whatever you can touch, you can feel. I can touch my keyboard, I can touch my mouse. That's hardware. I can open my laptop from behind, right? And I can touch motherboard and everything which is present in here right now. You use mobiles, right? The outer body of your mobile, the internal battery, motherboard, this all comes under your hardware, right? So I hope you have a clarity of software and hardware. Jitendra, I'll come to you if you have any doubt. For now, just keep it to yourself. We will discuss, right? I'll give you ample amount of time and clear all your doubts? Or do you want me to do that? Let's do that. Yes, Jitendra, you have any doubt? Just go ahead. Jitendra Prajapati. No. Okay, you were. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Those who are on not camera, I'll request once again to be on camera. I'll let you know maybe in next class that why I'm asking.
I don't know I'm visible or not.
Who is speaking?
PC.
PC. That's why I told, please use your name. Is your name PC? You are visible PC?
Ma'am, it is a default name, but my name is Roshan Maude. I'm already I told you.
Okay. 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 Let's move forward. Shall I move forward?
Yes.
I just gave you an insight of what exactly software and hardware for those who don't know. If you know, it's well and good. That's good for me. That's good for you as well. Okay. Let's move forward. Why I started with software and hardware is we will be studying about testing, but of software testing, right? We are not bothered about how your hardware works. Okay. That is why I first gave you an insight on software and hardware. Now, our area of learning will be software, and in that, we will be learning how to do software testing. Clear? Okay, well and good. Let's move forward then. Okay, understand now. Please pay attention. If you are not paying attention, pay attention. That is the reason why I'm asking you to be on camera, because when you are on camera, you are active because you know that you are being watched. Yeah? So when you are being watched, your brain acts more attentively. Okay, so you will pay more attention to me while you are on camera. Let's move to the software. Okay, in your software, one piece of software has different layers. Okay, one piece of software has different layer. If I take example of Zoom, which we are currently using, right? The very first layer is what you can see now with your eyes, right? As a user, what I can see a beautiful window, right? I have few buttons like my mute button. I have stop video, share video button. I have security. I have participants, chat, and all of these things. These all are related to the front end, which you as a user can see. What I am telling you right now is that part of software which is visible to your user. Okay, I have not still started any of the concept of testing. I'm just giving you some insight of software. Okay, then I'll let you know how we will cover manual, how we will do API, how we will do SQL. Because once you get an idea what exactly is software and what we are going to see, then I can get into deeper things. Yeah. So whatever your user can see in a software, in an application, that is known as front end, or you can say user interface, or you can say graphical user interface. Any application, you name it. WhatsApp, whatever you see in your WhatsApp on the very first window, right? You have chats, but now they have share, they have community, updates, everything. That is what as a user you can see on your screen is known as front end or user interface or graphical user interface. Okay, follow, right? Let's give a hand thumbs up so that I want a thumbs up on all of you so that I can know that I'm reaching out to you. You can hear me. Yeah, Greenwood, you have such a cute cat on your profile pic. Okay. And then in the same software, shall I give you more examples? Everybody uses Amazon, right? How beautiful Amazon app is. Whether you use on our website or you use it in your mobile, right? There are so many things on that application. So whatever as a user you can work on that is known as, I'll repeat again, whatever as a user you can see on your screen, no matter what screen it is, whether you are using on your browser means your web browser, right? You use Google Chrome, some use Microsoft Edge, some people use Firefox, that is known as your browser, right? So whether you are using any website or whether you are using any app in your mobile or like this I'm using any application on my laptop, anything which you can see on your screen which is beautiful, right, is your user front end or user interface or graphical user interface. Now question arises that how it is working. How? Yeah, how it is working. Because something is supporting from behind. Something is supporting from behind. And that something which is supporting from behind is you have codes, you have internet, everything that is known as backend. And that backend is not visible to user. Let me ask you, can you see how Zoom is working right now? How am I able to connect to you? How you are visible on your, you can see yourself on your screens, right? How is that happening? Can you see? You just know that it is just working fine. But how? Is it visible to you? No, right? Let me take one non-professional example and you can all relate to it. How? Let me tell you. This is very basic and very non-professional. Please do not say this to anyone. This is only for your understanding purpose. You can see me, right? What you can see? You can see my face, my ears, my mouth, my nose, my hands. Yeah. But something is supporting behind. My brain is supporting every part of my body. Yeah. When I'm speaking, my tongue is supporting my speech. Yes or
Yes.
no? Can you see my brain? No, right? It's not visible to you, but still it is working. It is supporting me, my work, my hands. Yeah. So if I just replace whatever I told just right now, I'm a software. Whatever you can see now, this one, my eyes, my nose, my basically my look is your front end, and whatever it is supporting from behind, that is my brain, my organs, right? My muscles, my veins, everything. That is my back end, which is not visible to you. Who are you? You are user. Yeah. Who can see it? Only those who are specialized in that area. Same way, those who are specialized in backend, only they can see, they can work, they can fix. Everybody can relate now, right? Give me a thumbs up. This example was just for your understanding purpose, that how your software is exactly what exactly your software is and how it works. Yeah? Yeah. So what we are going to study for 3 months is first we will cover software testing by manual. Okay, we will learn how to do software testing manually. Yeah. And then after we are done with that, we will move to API. Now, what is API? How we will do? That's a later part. I'll tell you that all those questions when we will reach to API. Because if now I sit and explain, nobody will get to know. Because you don't know exactly how your testing is being done. So first we will see how to do software testing manually. Then we will learn about API, what is API, how to do that, everything related to API. And then we will move to SQL. Okay, in SQL, we will see different languages, how to write query, what kind of queries you have, everything related to that. What tools are used, what tools you can use, which is freely available. Okay, in between, we will also see Jira, how it is worked, how you can use, how you can create your own account there. I'll cover everything. So don't you worry. Yeah. Three things I'll just let you in the very first class. First of all, like I said, please do not unmute yourself unless and until you are asked for. If you have any doubt, raise your hand and I'll come back to you, or you can use the chat option below because it will just simply disturb, right? It will disturb a whole other class. Or what you can do is you can write your doubt in your notes, anywhere in your notes, and after the class, I'll have 5 minutes of period of gap just to discuss your doubts. Okay. Second thing, there is no foundation. You can ask me any number of time you want, any doubt. But please, if you have any doubt, ask. I'm saying this on very first class. Do not keep that doubt to you and get it clustered for later classes. Because later on, you will only the person who will be in problem. Yeah? Yeah, we'll do that. We will see that postman tool, Jitendra, don't worry. Okay? So if you have any doubt, ask me. I'll answer 10 times, 100 times. But please do not go and keep it up. And after 10 classes, ask that what we taught in first class. Okay. Third thing, we will be forming a group in which you all will be there. Please utilize that group to the fullest. Okay. Utilize these 3 months of time to learn. Keep the fire of learning alive for 3 months. Show me your passion, and you can definitely do that. No, we will be doing training on that Postman and Shira. Okay. I'll come to those types of questions, Jitendra. Okay. Just let me discuss these few things in the very first class so that no one will have any doubt later further. Then I can take all your doubts. I'm seeing you have lots of doubts. Yeah. Next thing is I'll be taking your exams every 10 or 13 classes. And I'll request you in the very first class that please attend those because of two reasons. First, it will give me an idea that how much you have understood. Okay. And I can help you if you are lacking behind because it will give me an insight how much you understood and where you are exactly lacking. So I can guide you properly. So please do attend exams. I'll be giving assignments also, and I'll check those assignments and I'll give the review. Make sure you are doing your work on reviews also because people don't do that. So I'm saying, staying. If you will follow Whatever I'm saying, if you will follow all my assignments, if you will follow all the exams, nobody can stop you. So if I sum up, I'm asking your 100% dedication, hard work with me, and I can promise you that you will land a job, whatever kind of job you want related to testing. But there's a condition. Condition is what? You have to give your 100% with me. Don't just think that you have joined certain course and now your job is done. No, your job is now starting. If I'm giving 100%, you should give me 200%. Copy that? See how energetic I am. In my class, you have to be energetic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't just sit like use reaction buttons, right? You know, in one of my classes, somebody told that, ma'am, we are writing. That is why we are not responding. Okay. So your one hand is free, right? Just use that beautiful reaction button. Yeah. Yeah, I can see. I can see all of you. That's nice. And I'm requesting again, those who are not on camera, please be on camera, because being on your camera give you certain confidence. It will give you confidence. You were feeling shy on the first class, but let me tell you very frankly, with my experience, those students who have been on camera, they never faced, nervousness in interview, or they never faced communication issue. I'm being very frank here. I'm being very honest here. Being on camera gives you certain type of confidence. Okay. And it will help you to grow, and it will keep your mind attentive for 1 hour, because manual testing is all theory. Okay. I hope I'm very clear to all of you. I have cleared everything. How I'm going to take this? What exactly is your software? What will be the area of expertise on which we will be focusing? Yeah. Okay. Let's quickly take questions from you, because people are continuously giving their doubts in chat. Okay. Let me go through these chats and I'll
Ma'am,
discuss.
I have one question.
Yeah, go ahead. Who is speaking? Please let me your name. Just let me know
Yes,
your.
I'm Roshan.
Yes, Roshan.
Ma'am, which kinds of project we are taking in that course?
See, Roshan, we have not yet started. So I'll let you know what kind of project. When we will reach to that point, we will definitely let you know what kind of projects you have to do. Yeah. Have little bit patience.
Okay.
Have little bit patience, dear. All of you. Yeah, I cannot take each and every concept on the very first day. So have little bit patience. Give your 200% to me, and I promise, sitting here in front of you, that you will definitely get the job you want. But if you follow me, you will do my assignments. If you do my each and every review which I'm giving towards you, if you're focusing on those, definitely you will get it. Yeah. It doesn't matter from which background you are coming from. Even if you are B.Ed, BSc, MSc, you have done your MBA, you have been working, you have been teacher, doesn't matter. Okay. I'm seeing the questions like I'm from MBA. Everything goes to zero if you know. I'll take my classes in English. Okay. I'll take all my classes in English, because I have overseas students as well. Okay, those people who does not understand English. Sorry, my bad. Hindi. Okay, so I'll request that do not make a request where I have to speak in Hindi, for two reasons. For two reasons, because I don't know Telugu. I only know two languages, that is English and Hindi, and I cannot talk in Hindi because this is a professional class, or you can say it's a technical thing, and you will be going as a professional, as a professional tester, and there they need certain things from you, and that is the very first thing. You should be able to communicate at least yourself well enough in English. And sorry, my dear, I don't know Telugu. If I would have known, I would definitely. No, we will provide you placement support, but then again, you have to do the hard work. Okay, we will give you any every push you want for your career to grow, but it is up to you if you will work hard with me. Just give me 3 months of yours, dedicatedly, passionately keep the fire of learning in you. Just give me these 3 months, and you will come to me and you will say, no, Nikki, you were so good, you helped us, we have landed this job, whatever you have in your mind. Yeah. So do I have your support, everyone's? Cheerful, don't you have your dinners? I know you have, some of already had dinner, some of you have to go for dinner, I get it, but be a little bit energetic. Yeah, it's the very first class. Why you are so sad? And dear Prashant, for fee structure, you can contact to my team. Yeah, they'll let you know anything which is not related to my course. That is how the fee structure is, how I'll get study material. You can contact my team and they will let you know how to enroll yourself, where you will get, they will provide you everything. Yeah. So just contact my team and they'll let you know and everything. Other than, ma'am, predict there is a lag in testing. Do you due to chat? Oh, God or AI, is it true? No, no, there is no lag. Okay, why? Why there is no lag? Because see, even if you're using Chat GPT, you will be the one, you will be the person who will using it. Yeah. So if you know the concept, how to use, you will do it. Even for AI needs someone to trigger it. Yeah, and we need that person who can trigger it. So no, it's not going to affect anything. Shall we move forward then? Yeah.
Ma'am, hello. Uh, I have one question. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Yes,
See,
ma'am. What is the future of manual testing?
future of manual testing. See,
Yes.
your testing will, first of all, understand testing will always be there as long as your development is there. And nowadays, you have seen, right? You can do everything using your mobile. You don't have to leave your house. So every day we are evolving. If development is there, testing will be there. First thing. Second thing, manual testing is the basic thing. You cannot do automation testing if you don't know the concept of manual testing. Manual testing is like you are learning to walk, and automation means you know how to drive your cycle or your car or your automobile. If you don't know how to walk, can you drive your bicycle? Can you ride your bicycle? Can you ride your car? No, right? Manual testing lets you learn how exactly testing is done. Once you master manual testing, then you can go and do automation testing. Now, what exactly is automation? How we do, that's a later part. Yeah. So manual testing will always be in scope. Even if you are trying to get job as an automation tester, they will definitely ask you manual testing, and they will know whether you know manual testing or not. Dear, this is not an automation testing batch. So I'll not be discussing much of automation, but yeah, you need to learn a language, any coding language. Okay.
Means I have a question like that. Means we can't totally depend on manual testing or
PC, let's discuss your doubts and all other doubts at the end. Yeah.
okay, ma'am.
Was everybody asking the same question again and again? So let me move a little bit forward to give you more insight, then you will understand. Your doubts will get clear. I hope software front end, back end is clear to all of you. Yeah. Let's move a little bit more forward. Now we understand we have software, and because we have a software, so now we will be doing testing on it. Yeah. Before moving to that, I have one thing more discuss, and that is the IT companies. You know that software are made by who? Most of all IT companies. Who made these softwares? All your IT companies. Yeah. In market, you have basically two types of company. You will see only these two types of company. The first type is it will be a product based company. Product based company, and the second type is it will be of a service based company. Now let's see each one of them in detail. Yeah. First, I'll take product based company. For product based company, what does it mean? That they develop their own software. Like they are developing their own software. Like Zoom. Zoom is a product based company. Yeah. Instagram, Facebook owner. Now Facebook owns Instagram, Twitter. I think WhatsApp is also owned by Facebook. Yeah. So Facebook is also a product based company. Yeah. Apple, all Apple mobiles belong to Apple company. Yeah, their software is belong to Apple. So Apple is also your product based company. They have their own product. Yes.
Yes.
Amazon, right? Everybody uses Amazon, whether it is Amazon Prime, whether it is Amazon Web Services, whether it is Amazon e-commerce website, everything is owned by your Amazon. Yeah, that is also a product based company. So basically, product based company means those companies who are developing their own product. Those companies are known as product based companies. Come to the second type of company, that is service based company. Service based company are basically they do not develop product for themselves. They develop product for some other people. Let's take an example here. Everybody uses bank application. Doesn't matter which bank you use. Yeah, but everybody uses that. Do you think that the person who are working in the bank have developed their own software? No, right? They have asked some other company, let's say ABC company is there. They developed the banking system for the banks. Okay, and then they gave it to the bank. So that ABC company is providing service to whom? To the bank. Yes. Let's take another example. Let's say, let's this is a non-technical example because I can see people have a big question mark on their face. So I'll take a non-technical example. Let's say I want to open a store, makeup store. Let's take an example. Girls, you can relate why I'm saying makeup store. Let's say I want to open an application of my own brand, but I don't know how to develop software, but I want it online. So what I will do, I'll go to the company whose task or whose job is to develop that software. I'll go to that ABC company and tell them that, listen, I want to develop this application where I'll be selling my products online and people can go and buy it, just like Nika.com. Yeah. So then that ABC company will develop a software, very beautiful software for me. And then I'll use that software and I'll pay them for what I'm asking. Okay. So that ABC company is your service-based company. Is ABC company developing software for themselves? No, they are developing software for whom? For me. Yeah. So I am taking their service. Roger? Okay. So they develop product for the different person or who's the client. They provide service. That is why they are known as service-based company. India is full of service-based company. Infosys. Have you heard the name? Krishnamurthy, everybody knows. Infosys. You have HCL. You have Tech Mahindra. You have Wipro. You have Accenture. These all companies are service-based company. Okay, these all are service-based company because they don't develop their own product. They provide service to some other person who is coming to them with their needs, with their requirements, and they provide service. I hope these two types of industry is clear to you. You will see only these two types of companies. Name can be anything. Okay, if it is providing service, it is service-based company. If it is developing its own product, it is product-based company. Yeah. Now, we have application on the basis of these two products only. Or you can say it's an approach, or you can say an application, whatever suitable to you. The first model is business to business. Business, you understand, right? If I'm selling you anything, I'm doing a business. Yeah. So the first model, business to business, means your two businesses are connecting and working together. If you remember, I took the example of bank and ABC company. Yeah. ABC company is develop the software for, let's say, my SBN bank, State Bank of India. Okay. Whatever you use on your mobile, everything, I think everybody uses mobile app for bank. No matter it is HDFC, Kodak Mahindra, Punjab National Bank, or people who are from out of India, they may be using their own banks. Yeah. So do you think that bank employee has created? No. No, right? Somebody has created for them. So you agree with me that bank is a kind of business? Bank is a business, right? What is the business of bank? They provide you money. They provide you loan. You go and store your hard-earned money there. So bank is a kind of business. Yeah. And when you are contacting ABC that, hey, listen, please build my software for my bank, that ABC is also a business. Yeah. Although it is providing service, but that is their business, right? To provide service. So these two business to business, yeah, one business is coming with us, another business. So this model is business to business. Okay. Everybody uses Amazon or Flipkart. You are user when you order something. Yeah. Do you think Flipkart build every product for you? No, right? They are purchasing themselves for some seller. And then from seller, it is reaching out to you, but via Flipkart. Are you getting my point? So Flipkart is a business or Amazon is a business? Yes. and the seller from which you are buying or from which your product is coming, that seller is also a business. Let's say boys bought shirt and girls bought kurti. So now those kurti or those shirts are coming from some shop. Now shop owner is doing what? Shop owner is a business. That shop owner is contacting to your Flipkart. Then Flipkart is buying from them and then they are reaching out to you. So that shop owner and the Flipkart behind the scene are working on business to business model. Yeah. Second model is when your business is directly connected to your client or customer. Like Zoom, we are doing it right now. Zoom is what? A business? Everybody agrees with me. Does anybody has any doubt that Zoom is not a business? Let me know your thoughts. No? Yeah? And who are we? We are customer. Yes? So this model where your business is directly used by your clients or customer is known as business to customer. Yeah? You use YouTube. It's a Google product, I guess. Alphabet product. Yeah? One product is used by so many customers. So that is a business to customer. Your Amazon e-commerce website, it is directly Amazon business to you, to customer. That is also, they also follow business to customer model. Yeah. Now you will be asking why, Neeki, why you are teaching this? I am teaching this because most of our concept later on will be on this only. Okay. That is why I'm making you well aware of. So in class, if I say that it is business to business model or it is business to customer model, you will not get confused or you will not be like, oh, why? What she's talking. Yeah. So I'm making you understand what exactly is your industry is, where you are heading towards, especially for those people who don't know much about IT industries or they don't know much about software industries. For this, it is helpful. They will have an insight what they are learning and where they are heading. So basically, I'm making a path for you to work on. Okay. I hope everybody is clear. Just give me that thumbs up reaction. Yeah. Everybody, those who are not on camera, be on camera. Come on. Why to be shy? We are here to learn, right? I say this one thing. This is from
Yes,
my
ma'am.
own experience. I say this to my every student, even I say this to my sister and brothers. When you are learning something, be shameless. Just become shameless. Ask as many questions. No, it's okay, man. Ask as many questions as you want. Just become shameless. Because your end goal should be, my doubt should be clear. I should learn from it. Become a little bit shameless and see where you are going then. Nobody can stop you after that. When it comes to learning, be shameless. Okay? Nobody is going to judge you. Nobody.
Can I ask one question?
PC, I'll come to you. I know you have lots of doubts. Just give me 5 more minutes and then we will discuss all your questions. Okay? I have not started anything. This is just a technical knowledge, just a technical overview to you. What exactly is industry? What is software? What is this? What is you know, B2B, B2C? Because this is important to understand where we are heading. I'll take one more topic and then I'll take all of your doubts. Yeah. The topic is uh, software testing. Now we have seen software. Let's see testing. Yeah, testing. For few minutes, just forget software. You know what English means? What is the English meaning of testing, right? When you test something. You won't believe, but you do testing in your daily life every day. Each one of you. Yeah, it is not related to software, but you do. How? I'll give you some non-technical examples here. If you go to buy anything online, or let's say when you go to mall, you first try it. Yeah? You try it, then you buy. So when you are trying, what you are doing? Testing. When you go to purchase, let's say Apple phone, and that there's a craze of buying Apple nowadays. You go to showroom, you first check that product on dummy model. They give you a dummy model, right? Where you see the apps, you run it, you check the touch and feel, everything you check, and then you go and buy. So what are you doing there? You're testing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, when testing means what? I am making sure that whatever I am going to purchase is according to what my need is of good quality or not. Yes or no? That's what
Yes,
my point
yes.
is. If I'm purchasing, let's say if I'm going and purchasing this spec for for time being, let's assume that I'm going to purchase this spec of mine. Now what I'll do, I when I purchased it, I first put it on. I tried out whether it is looking good with my face or not. That's what I did. I did what? I did my testing there. In my mind, what was the requirement there? That spec should not look odd on my face, and my face should not look odd with my spec. So I matched my requirement with that. And second thing, I checked the quality also. Yes. So you do testing because you want to give a quality product to your client, to your customer. That is why we do software testing before giving it out to the client or customer. Yeah, that's the purpose of doing software testing. Now we have two types of testing in that. There are two types of testing in that. The first one is manual. The first one is manual. And the second is automation. Automation. Right? Manual means what? Let's understand first manual. Manual means where I am putting my manual effort. When I am putting my manual effort, then that is known as manual. Okay. Guys, we are sharing this feedback form in chat. Please use it to give me feedback so that I can work on myself more, and I can give you more. I can give you more information. I can do better. I can improve myself. So just, it will hardly take 1 minute of your time, and it is anonymous. So your name will not, I'll not be getting to know who is writing what. It is completely anonymous. Please use that form to give me a feedback so that I can improve. Yeah. Let's move, come back to that. Manual. Okay. Manual means where I am putting my manual efforts. Manual efforts means I am putting my, I'm using my hands. I'm using my most of the time testing that manually is known as your manual testing. Okay. When it comes to automation, there we write certain codes, certain scripts, and we just go and run it, and your testing is done. Right? Now people come and ask me, Neeki, in writing the script also we are writing manually. But Let me tell you, you will be writing that script only once. Once your script is ready, you don't have to go again and again and write it. Let's understand manual and automation with a non-technical example first. Technically, I'll teach you how to do that. But for your understanding purpose, I'm using non-technical example. Everybody has grinder in their house, I guess, in kitchen.
Yes.
Your mother or your sister or your wife may have been using it, or your girlfriend. Okay, those who have girlfriend. So you all have grinder in your house.
No.
Do you remember how your mother or your grandmother used to grind those spices? They used to do manually, right? With that, they have that, where they grind it manually. There, they
Yes.
were doing it manually, right? They were putting their own effort. They're putting their time, manual effort. That is known as manual. Now you just press a button and your spices are ready. That is automation. Same thing happen in your software. When you put your effort manually, when you go and check each and every checkbox, each and every component, each and everything, like if right now, if I click on this mute button, I'll get mute. See, right? I'm using my manual effort here. I manually moved my finger and went there and did that. Now, this is very simple example. This is how you are going to do that in manual testing. But in automation, I can write a code, 4 line of code, and this will be done. I don't have to go there. Okay. Yeah. How to do manual testing? We are going to learn it. Okay. But I hope you got the clarity of software, types of industries we have, what kind of business, what kind of models we follow, why we are doing testing, what kind of testing do we have. Clear? Yeah. Shall I move forward then? I hope everybody is clear. Those who are not on camera, I'll request once again that please, please, please be on camera. This is only for your own good. Okay, this is only for your own good. Okay, let's start with the very first topic of manual testing. Before learning anything about testing, we have to understand how exactly a software is developed. Yeah, correct? Do you, Roger? Do you follow, right? We first have to understand how a software is being developed. Then we will get to know where exactly as a tester we stand in that particular application or in that particular software development. Do you think that softwares are developed? Let's say your the Facebook owner, I'm forgetting his name. Do you think he had this idea in dreams and the very next day he built that Facebook? No, he had followed certain strategies to build that product over a time, over a period of time. Yeah. So the very first topic of this batch is software development life cycle. I'll request all of you to make notes. Why? Because it may seem easy right now because I'm speaking, you are listening. But if you're not making notes over a period of time, you will start forgetting. And trust me, you will not be able to go back and watch again the videos. Okay. So it is just a simple advice from me. Keep a habit of making notes. Okay. So the very first topic is SDLC. That is software development life cycle. This SDLC will ensure how your software is being developed from scratch and how it is reaching to your customer or client. And no matter you name it, any software which you are using currently has been developed using SDLC. Okay? Has been developed using SDLC. I'll give you only the topic's name and we will see each one of them very clearly in next class. I'll just give you steps, but I'll explain each of the step in detail in next class because I'm seeing people are having so many doubts. They are continuously pinging. Okay, so I don't want to leave you this class without going through your doubts, without going with any doubt in your mind. So if you are writing, write it down, or you can just listen the topics. Okay, just give me 2 minutes, Mauna, and I'll come to you. I'll let you know how to get it and how all these things will work. Yeah. The very first is requirement color. I'll give the steps and I'll discuss these steps in next class in detail. There are in total 7 steps. First is requirement collection. Second is feasibility study. Third is design. Fourth is coding. Fifth is testing. Sixth is release or deployment. And seventh is maintenance. Okay. What are all these things? What I am talking, I know. Second is feasibility study. Feasibility, FEASIBILITY. Feasibility study. I'll explain each one of them in detail. Every step is very, very, very important in developing any software. And any software which you are using till the software was launched or till from when the software concept came into picture after computers till date, they are following this software development life cycle, and these 7 steps are into this. The definition for software development life cycle is it's a step-by-step or a standard procedure to develop any application, any product. Okay, and you have these 7 steps. What are all these 7 steps? How these are done? Who does that? Whose job is does? Where we as a tester stand in this SDLC? We will see each and everything related to this in our next class, that is on Monday. Okay, now I'll raise your hands one by one for your doubts and I'll take your doubts. Okay, please don't just go ma'am. Just raise your hand. Okay, and I'll come one by one. So many people were asking, now nobody is raising their hands. Okay, Mauna, you said that how long will it take to get the recordings? Okay, recordings will be available because this is very first class and my team has to do make sure of certain things. But maybe by tomorrow, or let me ask my team. We will provide you this video as soon as possible. We can do that. Okay, because this is the very first class. We still have to take care of certain things. Okay. Okay, you will get by tomorrow. If you have purchased this course, if you have your own, my team will help you how to create username and password in the app. There you can register yourself and you will have the videos by tomorrow. That's what I'm getting the response from my team. Okay, Mauna, I hope this is how you pronounce your name, right? Mauna? Yeah. So you will get it by tomorrow. Any other question? Study material, Q&A, everything will be provided to you, Ashmita, in the app. Okay, in the app, please reach out to the team for study materials, for syllabus, they'll let you know. Okay, they will give, if you want syllabus also, they will help you there. Please reach out to my team for video recordings, for materials. Okay, and there are some materials will be given to you later on when we will cover that topic. Okay, so whatever related to your queries, which is related to videos or which is related to material, Q&A, what do you mean by Q&A, Ashmita? I don't know. What do you mean by Q&A? Please keep filling that form for me. It will help me a lot. Your name will not be there, so don't worry. Okay, please fill me. Providing video. Yeah, I'll be recording these sessions. For first class, it may take time, but after that, these recordings will be available to you. It will take 12 hours or mostly 24 hours. In some cases, otherwise, within 12 hours, the recordings will be available in your app, in your account. Okay. So do reach out to my team if you still face any issues. And yes, yes, we will help you for resume building as well. We'll definitely help you there, so don't worry. Okay, Q&A, yes, we will have mock interviews. I'll take your mock interviews just like how your interview will be. So by the time we will reach to the end, we will have n numbers of mock interviews. Okay, so don't you worry about that. Any other doubt? Please speak. You can raise your hand and I'll let you speak regarding class, regarding topic which I just took.
Ma'am, only one class for demo. Yes.
Reach out to team regarding this. I still have a little bit idea about it. So you have to inform them. Let's ask the team and they will let you know how many demos are there or do you need more and all those kinds of questions. Reach out to them. Reach out to my team, please, for this. Before going, I'll tell you why I'm asking you to be on camera, because some people sometimes get offended when I am, ask them to be on camera. There is two reasons. First, I told you that when you are on camera, you know that you are being watched. So your brain by default is on active mode. So you pay attention. Second is you will by the time when you will have the courage of being on camera, you will be more comfortable when you will sit in front of your interviewer. Because nowadays, the first round of interviews are through like this, virtually. The first round of interviews. These are virtually. So if you're shy now, with me, I'm your tutor, I'm here to help you. I don't think you will be able to sit in front of your interviewer and they will ask you to be on camera for 1 hour or whatever the time of your interview is. Okay, so that is why I want that fear, that nervousness from your mind to get out. Use this 3 months as a chance to enhance yourself, skill wise, communication wise, confidence wise. seen
Yes,
people.
yes, ma'am.
I have seen people who have confidence, like they have knowledge, they have so good knowledge that nobody can defeat them, but they cannot speak. They get nervous in front of, interviewer, no matter if that interview is off camera or on camera. So if you just muster up some courage, be on camera with me, nobody is going to judge, right? We are way past that judging age. Everybody is graduate here. Everybody is either working or is a wife or is a husband or has a boyfriend or has a girlfriend. Everybody is well aware of how world works. So nobody is going to judge anyone. So don't you worry. Fear, remove the nervousness and be on cameras. Let me tell you very frankly, it will ultimately, at the end, it will help you a lot. It will give you a confidence which you are lacking right now. At least some people are trying to be on camera, right? I'm talking to those who are not on camera. It will give you confidence to be on camera from next class. So I'm requesting you again, this is only for your own good. From next class, please be on cameras. Yeah? Do you follow? Any doubt from any topic, or you want to know anything what about this course, about me, or how this is going to work? Anything?
Where are you from, ma'am?
Oh, okay. I'm basically from Bihar, but I'm currently in Maharashtra. Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, timings and weekly class, ma'am, what is
No,
the
timings is the same, 9:30 to 10:30. Okay, so timings will be the same. Yeah.
classes will be from Monday to Friday?
No, classes will be Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday is off. Okay. So if due to any reason we miss this class, then with your consent, I can take classes on Saturday and Sunday in when we have some dire situation. Otherwise, your classes will be Monday to Friday, 9:30 to 10:30. Make sure you are joining on time, sharp 9:30. Okay, so that we can start early and we can start finish, because it become late for Indian people. Yeah. So that's the reason. Any other doubt? Anyone from this class? Or you don't know how? They were asking me, many people were asking me, I'm from this background, that background. I guess I have covered that, right? It doesn't matter from which background you are coming. Yeah. If you are contributing your end from your end, you will definitely get a job. But be honest with your hard work. Huh? You can cheat anyone, you can cheat me also, but you cannot cheat yourself, because when you are cheating, you know you are cheating. At least you are seeing yourself. Yeah. So let's learn together, let's grow together. Give your 100% to me, and I am promising here you will get a job. Any other doubt, any kind of doubt you have in your mind, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can close this. Usually what package is expected in life? That totally depend. Ashmita, who are you? Can you like be on? Okay, Ashmita. That totally depends. The package thing, it depends upon 2-3 factors. How good you are. See, if interviewer sees the potential in you, they are willing to pay you. First thing. Second thing, if you are going in as if you have some experience, then definitely it will add to your CTC. Yeah. So you have only two things to keep in mind. First, if you are going as a fresher, then you have to show the knowledge in the interview so that interviewer get convinced. right? So package totally depend. Then again, it depends upon what kind of company you are sitting for. Are you sitting for a product-based company, or are you sitting for a service-based company? Your package depend upon that also. So it depends company to company and your skills as well. So that totally, it is something that I cannot say, that there is no fixed ratio for that. Yeah. Okay. Any other doubt, people? Yes, Sumit Jha, you can speak.
Yeah. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Yeah. So, ma'am, whatever you covered today, will you teach from Monday in depth, or it is done for module one?
I'll continue from here, like where I'm left right now.
Okay. Okay.
I'll continue from here only. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Noted. Thank you.
Anyone? Any other doubt? No. I hope you people are. Please, before going, please fill that form, because that form will help me to grow, to to work on myself, so that I can do better. I can reach out to you better. Okay. So nobody is having any doubt. So I'll take it as a no, and let's meet in next class. Okay. Have a good day for the people who are not from India, and have a very good night for the people who are from India. Have a great weekend. Have a blast. Enjoy, and we will meet on Monday, same time on Zoom with me. Okay. Let's do it. We can do it, right? Just say, I can do it. Just one affirmation. I can do it. Yeah. Say this to you every time when you enter my class. Before entering, take a deep breath. Okay. Calm your mind. Remove all the tensions which you have from your family, from your office, everything. Take a deep breath. Exhale, inhale. I can do it, and join my class. Okay. Yes, we can do it. Huh? Let's meet on Monday then. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye all. Don't forget to feedback, please.